Hi everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training, and today we are going to continue with our house project in PDF. So here's our 3D view, going good. Now we last worked on the interior call out, but we need to do one more thing. We need to get the site done. So let's go into the site level, and there's our site of our building. I want to just take this out for now. There's a site of our building. So now what we want to do here is go and find that image we had from the PDF. So I'm going to go and I want to insert PDF image, and there it is. And I'm going to open this. And I'm going to say OK. Hopefully it'll come in the right scale, but for all practical purposes, we just need a general layout of it, of what it's going to be and everything's how it's going to look and the locations. So okay, there it is. So now let's see, and drop it right there. Okay, wow, look at that. Looks like it's about the same scale. So what I'm going to do here, since I've got it, I'm going to move it from, say, here down to about here. Now, look like I'm a little bit off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo this. And I'm going to turn on my wireframe here so I can see. So let's grab this guy again. And we'll move it from here to this point right there. And we're still a little off, so I'm going to see if I can just nudge that over a bit. Yep. And bring it down. Okay, that's fairly close. I can live with that. Okay, so there's our PDF file in here. So now we need to go in here and start putting in our site elements. So let's go to site and massing, and let's go with our property line. So we just select this property line command, and we want to create by sketching, and then we'll go from here. Let's do a rectangular from this point to there, and that'll be our property line, and we'll finish that. Okay, now from this point on, we'll go and do our topo surface. So we'll select the topo surface here, and just so we can get everything here, let's go put a point here. So add a point here. I want to get these roads in here, point there. And over here, let's just do something like this. There's a point here, point here, point there, and one there. And we can edit this guy, so let's just sort of pull this down because I want to get this road in here. Now these are elevations. Now these are, it's at this point, and that's at level -6. -6 is at our building level. So let's drop these down because we want the water to run away from this. So let's drop this down to -5 here, -5 feet. That's at -5. Like this was -5 as well. That's kind of far down, but we want to put the house on the hill, I guess. -5. Here, let's go with -2. 2 feet. Actually, that's up. We want to go down. Let's go down -2. Here, down -2. Now here, let's take these up. Let's go up here to 4. This is going to be 4 as well. As you can see, the contour lines coming into play here. And this is going to be 2. So we got a lot of stuff going on here. So let's go look at this in 3D. So my house is buried. So what I need to do, I need to go back into this topo surface and do some things around the house. So let me go back into my site. And let's go and let's just undo some of these levels that I made. Just keep it simple. So I'm going to add some more levels around the house. I want one here, here, and these are -6. I'll finish that off. And I'm going to see what's happening in my 3D view. So there's my house. Everything is right at that level. Okay, so now let's go back into our site. Now we can do some things back here if we want. Editing surface. So let's make this is -5. Let's take this up to 2 feet. This up is 2 feet as well. And this at 2. Just so we can have a little height in the back. So now we've got our topo surface in. So now let's go and do these rows and sidewalks. So what I want to do here, I want to just go to annotate, and I want to do some detail lines here. Wait a minute, I want to finish this. I want to go in the annotate tab, and I want to do some detail lines. I want to do detail lines from, if I can do pick line here, won't let me do pick line. Okay, so let's just go here. Let's go a line from here to say here. And let's do one from here to here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, and we'll do one from here to here for our sidewalk. Okay, there we go. Just nudge it in there. Okay, so there's our sidewalks. Now, what I want to do here, I want to do the roads now. So I want to just drop a line from here, a detail line from, say, from there to there, then one from there to there, and then I want to close these off with an arc in it here, and that's going to be probably 20 feet. But okay, and then I'll do another line. Actually, I could just mirror this over, I think. No, let's just copy. Let's draw it in. Detail line, I want from here to there. Push this line over a bit. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Okay. Close this arch off. There we go. Okay, go from here, this line from here. I might just mirror this, so what the heck. Let's draw a line from here to there. Come back up. Oop, Undo that one. Your site plans are needed. They have to have them in any project. But it's nice and Revit because it's all parametric and we basically just using what we had before. Let me just copy this line over here. Okay, now I'm going to close these off. Now let's see. Oh boy. Fix that there. Should be about back there. There you go. Boy, that's messed up. But I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Well, it should, because it might mess things up for us later on. Okay. So now I've got all of my rows in and everything. So now what I want to do is I want to go back to site and massing. Then I want to split surface. And I want to split this surface. So to do that, I'm going to just do the pick line from those detail lines I made. And I'm going to finish it. Okay, so two pieces. Okay. Cancel that. So we've got a problem here. So let's just undo that. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. So let's undo that. Let's try it again. This one's topo surface, split surface. Hold on a second. I want to split a surface here. I want this surface. So let's do these driveways. So let's pick these lines here. Pick that line, that line, that line, that line. And let's pick this line. And let's split this out here. Tell you what, I got a better way to do this. Just go here. Let's go there. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what's happening here. Okay. So what we're doing, we're splitting the topo surface. So I'm going to go here. And I'm going to go here. I'm going to draw lines from here to here. And then I'm going to finish that. Fitting binding must be actually two pieces. Okay. So it won't let me do it that way, so I'll do it this way. Okay, let's finish that. Okay, there's that one's done. Now let's take this one here and split this surface here. And let's go with a rectangular from there to there. Okay, and I'll finish that one. Okay, so that was done. So now let's do this one. Okay, so We'll split this surface here from this topping, go from there to there. My sidewalk, and boom, finished. Okay, so we got those done. And now what's happening here? Let's try to do this road now. I don't know what happened here. Let's see if I can get it this time. I'm going to go with this guy, split surface, this surface, and I want to pick this line, this line, this line. Now let's see if it works. Okay, cancel that. I'm going to undo that. And we're going to come back to that later on, but for the time being, we do have our, come on, get out of there, man. Let's go back here. Let's go into our 3D view. And we do have our sidewalks. Finish that. We got something else going on over here. Let's see. What was it? Finish that. Okay, cancel that. Let's just finish, close that off. Yes. So now we can go on our 3D view here. So we've got our sidewalk and our driveways. So now since we have them, we can select these and just change the material. So this will be asphalt, I guess. Come on, material. Jeez. Why is it taking so long? Okay, so we will go here with, oh boy, really slow today. I think it's that PDF file I got attached. I might get rid of it. Asphalt. Asphalt. Let's see, bituminous. Okay, let's see. Let me go and find a material for this. Let's just do concrete for now. Asphalt. Okay, let's do this one here. Let's do that. The same with this one. I don't know why we can't find asphalt here. Well, let's just go with this thing here. Okay. Let's go with the damp proofing. Okay. And now let's do the sidewalk here. This will be concrete. That's the easy one. The sidewalk will be concrete. Lightweight concrete. Okay. So there you go. There's our site. And we've got our house on there and our sidewalks. So I'm going to leave it there, folks, and I'll do the roads in the next video. Actually, let's change this now. Well, let's wait, do the next video. We're going to change this to grass and add other features. But hey, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. And everybody be safe, and bye.